much, Kevin. I'm so excited to introduce an amazing immigrant founder, Benny Wouler. And his company IPO'd last year. It was actually the first startup he ever personally founded. And they 3D print metals for outer space with customers like SpaceX and Honeywell.
When you think about culture as actions, it becomes very easy to amplify the culture. The centerpiece of building a culture. The centerpiece of building a culture is the things you're doing on a daily basis. Culture is a reflection, is a mirror of the character of the founder. And I evolved into a state of mind where we communicate to the team what we are trying to do. We work really hard on prioritizing what we can do. The ability to give people the choice where they want to work from, which is what we do, is very empowering and very powerful. So one of the striking differences between a startup and a large company is that a large company is really good at eliminating risk. In a startup, all the way through the growth phase of a startup, until you're actually a pretty significant size company, you generally operate in an ocean of uncertainty for many of the startups, but you're going to make a lot of mistakes. So the question is not who is going to make less mistakes. The question is who is going to deal better with the mistakes that they are going to make. Execution on a product roadmap and on a technology roadmap is completely not the same as execution in the marketplace. These are just two different worlds.